involves what happens when we have the unknowns on both sides of the equation. Okay, so we have 5x plus 3 here, and 3x plus 12 there. Let's say 13 there. Okay, now we're going to show you a shortcut here, but before we do that, we'll show you what the long cut is. Most people in most books will say that you start off by taking the left hand side and subtracting 3 from it, taking the right hand side and subtracting 3 from that. I'd like you to focus in on the orange colors there. Okay. After we have done our cancelling, those 3's cancel, and we are now left with 5x equals 3x plus 10. Okay, 13 minus 3 is 10. Then they would say we have to get rid of the 3x. So let's take 3x and subtract it from this side and subtract it from this side. Do our cancelling, and we're left over here with 5x minus 3x, which is 2x, equals 10. Now you can see that's a lot of steps to get there. So here's what I would like us to do to shortcut it. There is our original question. Let's pretend that we have here a little border guard. Okay, he's a little man who sits on the equation, which is the border. And his whole job in life is anyone who crosses the border, he's got to change their sign. Well, what we'd like to do is bring 3x across the border because we have a 5x over here, so we're bringing everything with an x onto one side. Bring the 3 to this side across the border because it doesn't have an x in it, and any numbers without an x we'll put on the other side. Now if we remember the border guard's job to change the sign, here's what everything looks like once they've crossed the border. You have 5x here, and you have 13 here. They have not changed sides. But the 3x has come across and we make it a minus 3x, and the plus 3 has come across and we make it a minus 3. Now we do our simplifying step. 5x take away 3x, 13 take away 3. And if you look at it, we have exactly the same result here, but we've done it all in one step. Now we just finish off by doing as we did in the lesson before. Divide this side by 2, divide this side by 2, and we're ready to write our answer. X equals 5, and these two guys cancel. And that's the end of lesson 2.